to parlay and transfer into this new business. So I would say, financially speaking, don't leave the job until the new income at least gets to that 90. I would even say 100%. And I know a lot of people don't hear that because they just like, I just want to
Yeah.
quit this job right now. It's getting on my
I want to get out.
if I go to this office one more time, I'm gonna no change your attitude, and
Amen.
then God will bring you out of that. Be faithful right where you are, and God will promote you. He did it with me, and I'm sure he can do it with you.
Mm. Did you ever face any kind of attacks or spiritual warfare, as people would call it, when you were trying to pursue the path that you're on right now? So, what advice would you give? And did you experience that yourself?
Absolutely. Listen, you're
Mm.
talking about solving problems for people. You're talking about helping people.